Hi everyone, welcome to this powerful English practice lesson. Before we start, I want to tell you something important.
Yes, please listen carefully. Do not skip this video, not even 10 seconds.
Because if you skip, you will lose the exact sentences, the exact tone, and the exact real-life expressions that help you start a conversation in English with anyone.
Most people are not scared of English. They are scared of the first line. What should I say first? How do I begin? What if I make a mistake?
In this video, we will show you step by step how to start a conversation naturally, confidently, and fearlessly.
So please, for your own confidence, watch till the...
Scene 1. Greeting a stranger.
Alex, how do I talk to a stranger?
Start simple. Watch this. Hi, how are you?
That's it?
Yes, the simple greetings open the door.
Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
Good. Now add a friendly smile.
Using compliments.
I'm shy. I don't know what to say.
Then use compliments. People love compliments. Hi, I really like your jacket. Where did you get it?
Oh, that sounds friendly.
Try it.
Hi, I like your jacket. Where did you get it?
Perfect. Compliments make connection easy. Starting with questions.
What if I need to talk to someone for information?
Ask a simple question. Excuse me, what time is it?
That's easy.
Now you try.
Excuse me, what time is it?
Great. Then add a follow-up sentence. By the way, are you from here?
Ah,
Talking in public places.
public places make me nervous.
Then use common situations. Hi, this line is long today, right?
That's so natural.
Try it.
Hi, this line is long today, right?
Talking at school or college.
What about starting conversations at school?
Easy. Start with the seat question. Hi, is this seat free?
And after they say yes?
Then ask, what are you studying?
Oh, that's simple.
Try it. Starting conversations at work.
What about jobs, workplaces?
Start with introduction. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm new here.
Friendly and professional.
Then ask,
Hi,
how long
I'm
have
Bella.
you been working here?
I'm new here.
Talking while traveling.
Traveling is scary for beginners.
Use this line. Hi, are you traveling alone?
Okay.
Then, where are you going?
Hi, are you traveling alone? Where are you going?
Great job. When you feel shy or scared,
Alex, what if I'm too scared?
then say the truth. Hi, I'm learning English and I'm a little shy. Is it okay if I speak slowly?
That's honest.
Yes, and most people will support you.
Hi, I'm learning English, and I'm a little shy. Is it okay if I speak slowly?
Starting to make friends.
I want to make new friends.
Use this friendly line. Hi, you seem really nice. What's your name?
Wow, that feels natural.
Try it.
Hi, you seem really nice. What's your name?
Starting a conversation for English practice.
What if I want to practice English with someone?
Say this. Hi, I'm practicing English. Can we talk for 1 minute?
That's not scary at all.
Try it. 10 magic sentences. Repeat after us.
Hi, how's your day going? Hi, are you from the city? Hello, I like your style. Excuse me, can I ask something? Hi, what brings you here today? Hey, have we met before? Hi, I'm trying to improve my English. Hello, do you come here often? Hey, what do you do? Hi, what are you studying?
Confidence booster.
Alex, starting conversations feels easier now.
Because confidence grows with practice, not perfection.
I guess even one line can start a friendship.
Exactly. One line can change your entire English journey.
Scene 12. Confidence Booster. Extended version.
Alex, I feel something changing inside me. I'm not as scared as before.
That's confidence, Bella. It grows quietly, slowly, one conversation at a time.
But what if I make a mistake?
Then you learn. Every mistake is a teacher. Every word you speak is progress.
So, I don't need perfect English to start a conversation?
Exactly. You need courage, not perfection. Just start with one simple sentence.
I can do that. I can start, even if it's small.
And that small step today will make you confident tomorrow. The power of body language.
Alex, how do I look confident, even when I'm nervous?
Use your body. Your body speaks before your words do.
Really? How?
Stand straight, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile, eye contact for 1 second, speak slowly.
Wow, that already feels better.
Try entering the cafe like you're confident.
Hi! Excuse me, is the line moving?
Perfect. What to say after hi?
Sometimes I say hi, and then I freeze. I don't know what to say next.
Use a follow-up line. Here are 5 easy ones. Alex, slow. Number 1. How's your day going? Number 2. Are you from around here? Number 3. Is this your first time here? Number 4. What do you recommend on the menu? Number 5. I'm new here. How about you?
How's your day going? Are you from around here?
See? Once you start, the conversation grows.
How to keep the conversation going.
Alex, what if the person gives short answers, like yes or no?
Then ask open-ended questions. Questions that need long answers. For example, do you like this city? What do you like about this city? Do you work? What kind of work do you do?
Oh, so the question must make them talk more.
Exactly. You guide the conversation.
How to sound friendly. Tone practice.
I sometimes sound serious. How do I sound friendly?
Use warm tone, soft tone, not too fast, not too slow. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, how's your morning going? Oh, really? That's interesting.
Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, how's your morning going?
Perfect. Your voice is friendly already. Starting conversations when you're scared.
Alex, the truth is, sometimes I'm scared of people judging my English.
I understand, but let me tell you something important. People don't judge your English. People judge your kindness, your honesty, your effort.
But what if I say something wrong?
Then smile and correct yourself. That's what native speakers do too.
So mistakes are normal.
More than normal. Mistakes mean you're trying. Trying means you're learning. What to do when the conversation stops?
Sometimes the conversation becomes quiet, and I panic.
Use a bridge sentence.
Bridge sentence.
Yes, a sentence that restarts the talk. Alex, slow examples. By the way, oh, that reminds me. Actually, I wanted to ask, speaking of that,
By the way,
how to
actually,
end a
I wanted to
conversation politely.
ask, how do I end a conversation without being rude?
Alex, use a closing line. It was nice talking to you. Hope we talk again soon. Have a great day. See you around.
These sound friendly and confident.
Exactly. They make the ending smooth.
The final confidence lesson.
Bella, I can't believe it. I really feel confident now. I feel ready.
Because you learned the most important rule. You don't need perfect English to start a perfect conversation.
Yes, I just need to try, to speak, to start.
Exactly. One sentence can open a door. One hello can create a friend. One simple question can change your day.
Thank you, Alex, for everything.
You did it, Bella. This confidence is yours now.
You learned so many conversation starters today. And now, it's your turn. Go outside. Talk to one person. Start with one line.
Your English will grow. Your confidence will rise. Your fear will disappear.
If you want more slow, simple, real-life English videos,
Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon.
see you in the next video. Keep speaking